Well, good morning, everybody. This is Ralph back with another video. In this one, I want to explain what is the 80-20 rule in affiliate marketing today. And now, if you're familiar with what the 80-20 rule is in general, it's that 80% of the people in any given industry will do nothing or next to nothing. They will accomplish about 20% of the total workload, while the remaining 20% of people will end up doing 80% of the work. And I have seen this across every industry that I've been in. I have been in light industrial, I have been in grocery, I've been in retail, I have been in church services and church type affairs. And I mean, yes, you see this play out across the board in every industry. 80% of the people in any given company will generally do about 20% of the work, while the remaining 20% end up doing 80% of the work. So the vast majority of people in the world are not very highly motivated, nor are they easy to motivate. And if you're looking for the go-getters, you're going to have to be out there looking for the 20 percenters. So what that means for network marketing or in any kind of business opportunity that you're getting into in the area of affiliate marketing, you've got to be patient. Not everybody that joins your team is going to be a go-getter. 80% of the folks that end up joining your business will do either nothing or next to nothing. And out of the remaining 20%, there you will have your average producers, your above average producers, and your super affiliates. Now, this breaks down into something that I learned several years ago from Ray Higdon called the Thompson Rule. And the Thompson Rule breaks down like this. It's the 80-15-5 breakdown. And actually, there's an extra level that we'll get into too. But the 80%, well, that's your 80 percenters. According to the Thompson Rule, 80% of the people that join a network marketing offer or an affiliate marketing business opportunity, they will end up doing either nothing or next to nothing. These are the folks that will be very happy earning anywhere from $0 a month to $500 a month in income. So, yeah, 80% of your people really won't be worried about making money. Yeah, they'll want to do it if it's easy, if it doesn't require a whole lot of commitment, but a lot of people just like to join something and belong, hang out. It's like, yeah, I joined that program a few years ago. What have you done with it? Well, nothing, but I'm a member. A lot of people are like that. They're joiners. They like to be members, but they're not producers. Well, that's essentially 80% of the people that you're likely to bring into your business opportunity, be it network marketing or affiliate marketing. Now, the next level are the 15 percenters. And according to the Thompson Rule, the 15 percenters are people who want to earn an average income. Okay, anywhere from $2,000 to $3,000 a month. So they're more highly motivated than the 80 percenters, but they're not really going to be your super affiliates. And that's where the 5% come in. 5% of the people that you bring in to a business opportunity or network marketing type opportunity, they will want to earn a very high above average income. $25,000 a month on up. Now, those are going to be some of your affiliate marketing and network marketing rock stars. Those are going to be the folks that will really make a lot of money for themselves. And if you're thinking about network marketing, where you earn off of your own sales and the sales of others, you will also be able to make some money off of them. They will be your producers. And then there's the last level, the 1 percenters. And this is where these are the people that really want to knock it out of the park. These are the people that want to be making like seven figures and up. And they are just going to be maybe 1% of the people that you bring in. So if you're trying to build a team for network marketing, or if you are promoting an affiliate marketing business opportunity where you just get paid for your own sales, this applies to both because it means that 80% of the people that you bring in will probably just want to hang out and not do anything. And if they're paying to stay with the opportunity, if they're paying to be part of the program, you can still make money off of them that way. But I mean, they're not really going to be contributing that much to the overall team. They're going to be warm bodies that will be there. And of the 80 percenters, a lot of them are going to be more likely than not to drop out. Because, yeah, they'll be there as members for as long as they feel like it. But when the opportunity gets too expensive for them, or they just don't feel like being a member of it anymore, they will drop out. So the 80 percenters in an affiliate marketing type business opportunity, you can make money from them for a while until they get bored and decide to drop out. Now, the 15 percenters, okay, these are the people that are going to be more likely to actually stay around for a while. And then the 5 percenters and the 1 percenters, those are going to be the people that will really be more likely to stick around. So if you're wanting to grow either a network marketing type business or even an affiliate marketing type business, the Thompson rule or the 80-15-5 rule is something to keep in mind because a lot of people, they get into online business with very unrealistic expectations. They think they can just talk to 5 people or 10 people, get a lot of people to join and be making money right off the bat. And actually, when you take into consideration 80% of the folks that join will do nothing, you can see that you're not really going to get a very big result out of very few people. If you want to get that big result, you're going to have to be recruiting a lot of people. And that applies to network marketing or affiliate marketing. And it also means if you're promoting your business, I would say probably most of the people, probably 80 to 90% of the people that you talk to, asking them, would you be interested in taking a look at my business? A lot of them, their first reaction will probably be no, that I'm happy doing what I'm doing. I've got a full-time job. Thank you very much. I'm not really interested in this online income thing. And yeah, most of the people that you talk to will turn you down. And so that's another thing to keep in mind is that you've got to be brave. You've got to be persistent. You've got to be willing to talk to a lot of people. And this is what dooms a lot of people in online marketing. Because again, they think all they have to do is get a few people to sign up. They can make a whole lot of money, but they don't stop to think. If you want like 5 or 10 people to join your opportunity, you may have to talk to 100 people, maybe more, to get that small a number. And if you want to get the really top producers, the real go-getters in your opportunity, you've got to talk to lots and lots of people. Jim Rohn said something along these lines. If you want to do well in sales, just talk to lots of people. And the good news is there are lots of people out there to talk to. Now, when Jim Rohn said that, his world was calling people on the phone, talking to people face to face, meeting people in hotel conference rooms, shopping malls, things like that. Today, we've got the internet, we've got online, so we can make YouTube videos and hopefully talk to lots of people in a mass marketing sort of a way a lot more easily. But still, you've got to be willing to be able to talk to lots of people. You know, try to find people through your marketing that might be interested in what you have to offer. And then when they opt in and they give you their name, their email address, and their phone number, make sure you follow up, because most people that will opt in to a certain opportunity, they won't join immediately. Yeah, they'll opt in, but they won't pull out their credit card and want to join. You will have to follow up with them. And then after the follow up, maybe after God only knows, really, maybe 5, 10, 20 different exposures to your offer, some people will end up joining. But you do have to be willing to reach out and talk to people. But, you know, I don't want to dissuade people from any form of affiliate marketing, a business opportunity, or network marketing business opportunities. I don't want to make it sound like it's too hard. You know, once you get the hang of it, once you get the feeling for it, you can go places with this industry. But you got to be patient. You got to be willing to talk to lots of people, and you've got to be willing to grow your own skills and expertise. So, yeah, be patient with yourself, be patient with things as you grow, and just say to yourself, I am going to get better and better, and I'm going to go places with this. So, yeah, if you're wanting to do well in any kind of online marketing opportunity, be it affiliate marketing or network marketing, know that it's going to take you a little while to build it up. You're going to have to grow your own skills. You're going to have to get over your shyness. You're going to have to get over being an introvert. If you're an introvert, if you're an extrovert, good on you. You know, you're most of the way there already. But you got to be willing to talk to people. And then once you get to that stage of willingness, you can go places. But it doesn't happen overnight, and it does take work. Now, if you want to see what I do by way of online marketing, I am part of an affiliate marketing school that teaches people, beginners and professionals alike, how to do affiliate marketing and network marketing in a better way. And we pay 80% recurring commissions. And we have been around since 2016, and we have just redone the program. It's been around for a long time, and for such a long time that it had gotten a little chaotic the way it had been built up online. The whole thing has been redesigned now from the ground up. We still pay 80% recurring commissions, but now the website is so much easier to navigate. It's so much easier to sign up and be an affiliate. I mean, once you log in, once you pay your dues, you're already an affiliate. We've gone from having 7 different logins to just 2. You know, your main affiliate login that covers almost everything, and then the funnel builder tool login, which is our tool that we have that allows you to create really good sales funnels. It does everything that the professional funnel builders do that costs like $99 and $200 on up. Only ours only costs $25, and it pays $20 recurring commissions. So if you'd like to take a look at all that, go to my main link down in the program description below and just go to ralphshomebiz.com. And again, that affiliate link will be in the program description down below. So, yeah, thanks for dropping by. Ralph signing out. We'll catch you in further updates. But remember, if you want to get involved in any kind of online marketing, be patient. Things can happen, but things don't happen overnight. Put in the work, work on your own personal development, and you can go places. Catch you later, folks. Bye-bye.